Now let us discuss about the properties of anodes. The properties of anodes are almost as well as the properties of the cathodes, but a small opposite difference. Okay, these anodes were positively charged rays. So these are having positive charge. Positive charge. So these rays also having straight line propagation as well as cathode rays. So these are also having straight line propagation. Okay. How can we find the straight line propagation for the anode rays? If we place an object in the path of the anode rays, the shadow of the object will be reflected on the opposite wall of the anode. So hence we can say that the anode rays were traveling in straight line. This will be happened if the anode rays were traveling in the straight line. Then the shadow of the object will be placed. So hence we can say that anode rays are having straight line propagation. And anode rays also are having material content. Containing material particles. So in the anode rays also there is the presence of material content. So how can we find that these are also having material content? If we place a light paddle in between in the path of the anode rays, those light paddle will start rotating. So if you place a light paddle in the path of the anode rays, that light paddle will start rotating. That means the anode rays were striking the light paddle wheel. Because of this, the light paddle will start rotating. That means some invisible material content are striking that light paddle wheel, make it rotate. And these anode rays also having deflection with the effect of electric field and magnetic field. Effect of electric field and magnetic field. By applying the electric field and the discharge tube, the anode rays were deflected towards negative plate. If you place electric field, if it is negative, it is positive. These rays were deflected towards negative field because these are having positive charge. Hence, these are deflecting towards negative field. And these anode rays also deflect in the magnetic field towards the south pole as well as opposite to the cathode rays deflection. So this deflection is also opposite to the cathode rays deflection. This magnetic field, in the magnetic field, the anode rays deflection is also opposite to the cathode rays deflection. These are the main properties of the anode rays. This is the brief information about anode rays.